Na naman tayo sa ating Dubai tour. Sama ko si Abbas. Here. You're member of Al-Qaeda? You know Al-Qaeda? You're member? Oh, member daw siya ng Al-Qaeda. Bin Laden.
Bin Laden. My big brother.
Your big brother.
Yes.
Ayan, pumapatay yan. Pumapatay ng ilong. Dahil sa amoy.
My team finish in America. America in finish.
America, finish. Philippines.
Philippines, no.
Oh, finish Philippines.
No, no. American only.
Why?
British.
Ayan ang mga sakyan ng Al-Yusuf. Al-Yusuf Motors. You have to erase the Philippines. Yeah.
Sorry?
You have to erase Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah, in the map of the world.
No.
Why? Si Abbas na terrorist. Ayan, mga Chevrolet.
Wanted.
Wanted?
Yes.
Wanted pang sinasabi. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal lang. So, kahit sobra init. Kita nyo ako naka-shades. Sa init. Ayan, mga container van. Ba araw? Ayan ang araw. Kita nyo.
Okay. You go and come.
Okay. Sige. Bye-bye.